Hi, my name is Catherine and I'm a data scientist here at 𝐀𝐬𝐤. I will introduce you to how you can use customer lifetime value in an e-commerce setting in 60 seconds, starting now. Understanding historic customer lifetime value can help answer business questions like, how quickly are my customer acquisition costs paying off? How does CLV differ by demographic categories or acquisition channel, such as in-store versus online? And what are my customer groups and their needs? You can then take steps to better serve your most valuable customers. For example, you can try to improve the purchasing experience or concentrate your inventory on products these customers prefer. You can also push such products in your Google Ads campaigns and optimize bidding based on CLV information instead of raw revenue. Turning now to CLV prediction. Knowing each customer's CLV in advance can help you react early to prevent customer churn, reduce your marketing efforts towards non-profitable customer segments, and concentrate on improving your relationship with your emerging customers to turn them into brand ambassadors. CLV predictions can also help you to anticipate demand and therefore revenue inflows and prepare accordingly. Want to know more about the topic? Feel free to reach out or visit us at smarter-ecommerce.com for further information.